We're back with another knife review. I'm with Atlantic Knife, and today we're doing the review of the SOG Seal XR Flipper. This is one of my new favorite knives. I've been messing with this one for about a week now. I thought I would take a few minutes to show it to you. I'll start off by telling you that it's 9.125 inch overall. The blade length is almost 4 at 3.87. Has a very beefy blade at 1.375. Yeah, the blade is CPM S35VN. It has a flat grind, plain edge with a black finish, obviously. This is SOG's XR lock, which is similar to like an axis lock, which we'll show you. The handle length is 5 1/4. The overall weight is 8.25 ounces, so this is a beefy knife. There is traction on this knife everywhere you look. There is some form of jimping or grip on every part of it. The handle is FRN for tip-up carry. It is reversible, so left or right, tip up. It's manual, so you can use the lock. Of course, it locks almost, or stops at least, wherever you leave it. I love these knives, excuse me. Can't beat a XR lock. Let's go ahead and grab some Paracord, and we'll show you how this knife cuts. This is a very tactical knife, even though it's a folder. It has a striking piece here at the end on the pommel of the knife. Very solid. Being that it is S35VN, it is extremely sharp. Bring over some cardboard. It can also do precision cutting, as you can tell. And then being that it's a large, beefy knife, it will force its way down through this cardboard. Clean that up a little bit. Alright, so that was a quick few minutes there on the SOG XR, Seal XR flipper. Gosh, I love this knife. It also has the thumb hole, which I haven't tried to use for opening, and room for a lanyard, of course. Give you another close-up. Alright, so for those of you who are watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. We've got tons of videos like this and giveaways. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to our channel. We will have a weekly show pretty much every week that is not only informative, can be funny sometimes. Plus, we do giveaways. With that being said, I am C with Atlantic Knife. Signing off.